In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your Google Sheets using Apps Script. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to protect your data with an additional layer of security. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet. If you haven't created one already, just head over to Google Sheets and start a new document. This will be your workspace for adding the password protection feature. Next, we'll need to navigate to the Extensions menu. It's located on the main menu bar at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is where you can access various tools and options available for extending the functionality of your spreadsheet. Once you've opened the Extensions menu, look for the option called Apps Script and click on it. This will open up the Google Apps Script editor in a new tab. Apps Script is a powerful tool that lets you automate tasks and add new features to your Google applications. Now in the Apps Script editor, we're going to create a new script. You'll find a file menu where you can create files. Start by creating a new file for your script. Once you've done that, you'll see a code editor where you can write out the script that will add password functionality to your Google Sheet. After you've entered your script, remember to save it. Look for the Save icon in the toolbar, which typically looks like a floppy disk. Saving frequently is a good habit to get into, especially when working with scripts, so you don't lose your progress. Next up, we need to test the script to make sure it works correctly. To do this, click on Run in the toolbar. Running the script will execute the code we've just written, enabling the password feature on our Google Sheet. You might be prompted to authorize certain permissions at this step. If so, go ahead and grant permission to proceed. Back in your Google Sheet, try entering an invalid password and clicking OK. You should receive a notification indicating the password is incorrect. This feedback confirms that the script is running and can detect incorrect inputs. To further test the robustness, try entering another incorrect password, followed by clicking OK. It's important to test how your script handles multiple incorrect attempts, ensuring that unauthorized users can't gain access easily. Finally, enter the correct password you've set within the script and click OK. If everything is done correctly, you should see a validation message indicating that access has been granted. This indicates that your password protection is successfully functioning. Once you see the validation message, simply click OK to confirm. Congratulations! Your Google Sheet is now equipped with password protection through Apps Script, providing an extra layer of security for your data. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on adding password protection to your Google Sheets using Apps Script. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your data management a bit more secure.